Hello and welcome to another interesting session on Swayam Pathshala Odisha. Today we will discuss about the Production Linked Incentive Scheme 2020 that aims to make India a global giant in electronics manufacturing. So today's talk will be bilingual, that is both in English and Odia. So before going to the details of the PLI scheme, I will just give a historical background. Ever since the Modi government came to power in the year 2014, the focus of the government has been to attract investment, foreign investments from different sectors, and electronics manufacturing has been one of the pillars of the Digital India and Make in India program of the Government of India. So there was a National Policy on Electronics NP 2019. It was passed and implemented in the year 2019. So it visions to position India as a global giant in electronic system and design manufacturing, that is ESDM, by encouraging and driving capabilities in the country for developing core components. Okay, so due to different schemes by the government of India, the net production of electronics in India has drastically improved to $70 billion in the year 2018-19 as compared to the $29 billion worth of the electronics in the year 2014-15. And similarly, the production has increased as compared to the imports of electronics in the year 2018-19. And this table also shows the net worth of mobile production that has also increased over a huge volume. So in 2014-15, there was only 3 companies operating inside India that was producing mobile phones. But now at 2019-20, we have more than 250 number of companies who are engaged in production of mobile phones. So in the 2018-19, the production increased from 18,900 crore in 2014-15 to the 1,70,000 crore in the year 2018-19, and similarly in 1920 it has again increased to 2,14,000 crore. So the domestic production has increased at a compound annual growth rate, that is the CAGR. The short form is CAGR. It has increased about 25%, and due to surge in production, 2 million direct or indirect jobs has been already been created in the electronics manufacturing sector. And India's share in global electronics manufacturing has grown from 1.3% in 2012 to 3% in 2018. Okay, so the India has emerged as the second largest manufacturer of mobile handsets in the world in volume terms. China is the first largest manufacturer of mobile sets in the world till now, and India has emerged as the second largest manufacturer of mobile handsets, which is a great achievement for the government of India. And in order to further attract investments in electronics and promote exports, following 3 schemes has been declared by the government of India, and that will create around 10 lakhs more jobs in this sector. And the three major schemes that has been announced by the government of India in the year 2020 is the production linked incentive scheme, that is the PLI scheme, and scheme for production of electronic components and semiconductors, SPECS, and electronic manufacturing clusters, EMC 2.0. And the government of India has announced a total value of monetary incentive of around rupees 50,000 crores. Okay, so let us discuss the details about the PLI specs and EMC. So production linked incentive scheme. What is production linked incentive scheme? It is a scheme for large scale electronics manufacturing which extends an incentive of 4 to 6% to the eligible companies on incremental investment and sales over a period of 5 years. Okay, so this is an important point. And the companies have to achieve a threshold target in investment and sales to be eligible under this scheme. ତା ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ, ପ୍ରତି ବର୍ଷ ଗୋଟେ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ ସେଟ୍ କରାଯିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଦ୍ୱାରା so that companies माने से threshold target achieve करिवे केतिकी इन्वेस्टमेंट करिवे एवं तांकर प्रोडक्शन आउटपुट आउ तांकर सेल्स केमती इंक्रीज हबो ता पई गोटे टार्गेट दबो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया सेतिकी टार्गेट जदी से कंपनीज माने फुलफिल कले इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपनीज माने so they will get an incentive of 4 to 6%. Okay, so it involves not only the mobile manufacturing but also manufacturing of specified electronic components including assembly, testing, marking and packaging जोटा कि कुआ जाए ATMP units. Okay, so the next scheme is a scheme for production and manufacturing of electronic components and semiconductors, that is SPECS. So this SPEC scheme will provide a financial incentive of 25% on the capital expenditure for the identified list of electronic goods. Okay, so capital expenditure माने कोन, suppose किछिटा fixed assets पई गोटे कंपनी जति इन्वेस्टमेंट करे जति पैसा खर्च करे गोटे कंपनी सपोज गोटे आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री अछि तो तार गोटे लैंड से लैंड रो मेंटेनेंस रे किछिटा गोटे सेटअप्स थिबो जोटा कि निहाती जरूरी सो दैट आर द फिक्स्ड एसेट्स बोली कुआ जाय सेटा कैपिटल माने फिक्स्ड एसेट्स ओके सो सेमती इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी रे कोन कोन फिक्स्ड एसेट्स दरकार हमरो जेते सब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स अछि हमें जानछे दे आर मेड अप ऑफ semiconductors materials किंबा semiconductor goods दरकार to manufacture electronic components सेमती हमर स्पेशलाइज्ड सब असेंबलीज जेमति कि हमर डिस्प्ले फैब्रिकेशन यूनिट गोटे गोटे यूनिट स्पेसिफिक यूनिट थाए इंडस्ट्री मानकरे से यूनिट्स निहाती जरूरी जोडा कि फिक्स्ड एसेट्स ओके गोटे कंपनी रो तार मेंटेनेंस तार जो रक्षणाबेक्षण एवं सेथि पई कंपनी किछिटा इन्वेस्ट करे प्रति वर्ष सो सेही इन्वेस्टमेंट कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर उपरे 25% फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव दबो कि the government of India will give 25% on the capital expenditure and जो केते गुडे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स अछंती जोटा कि फिक्स्ड एसेट्स हमरो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंडस्ट्री रे से that will be set by the government of India and they are going to provide 25% on the capital expenditure. And the third point, electronics manufacturing clusters EMC 2.0. सो EMC 1.0 इटा आगु 2012 मसिया रे हिथिला 2012 मसिया रे ऑलरेडी सेटा गोटे गोटे प्रोग्राम आरंभ करथिला गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया द देन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ जे थिले किंतु एबे 2.0 रे मॉडिफाइड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्लस्टर्स will be developed. Okay, so what is this modified electronic manufacturing clusters? EMC माने electronic manufacturing clusters ता माने जो गोटे कंपनी को एठी जेतले गोटे फॉरेन कंपनी आसी तार इन्वेस्टमेंट करिवो सो रेडीली बिल्ट इन फैक्ट्री शेड्स ओके तार मटेरियल्स तार गुड्स जोटा कि आसिकी माने जोटा दरकार प्रोडक्शन पाई एंड प्रोडक्शन हेला परे जो गुड्स सेल्स को जीवो सो ताकू रखिया पई जो फैक्ट्री शेड्स दरकार इवन वर्कशॉप दरकार विभिन्न फैसिलिटीज एमेनिटीज बेसिक एमेनिटीज दरकार जो स्टाफ मानक पई तो दैट विल बी गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया तो जोटे कि लैंड किबा रेडीली बिल्ट इन फैक्ट्री शेड्स सो गोटे इकोसिस्टम डेवलप ऑलरेडी बिल्ट इन डेवलप जदी हेगी थिबो सो कंपनीज विल बी अट्रैक्टेड towards this country okay for investment in the electronic sector and it shall give financial assistance for setting up both EMC projects and common facilities centers across the country. So the next point, what are the outcomes of these three schemes? What will be the outcome of these schemes? Already a list of 22 companies have applied for the PLI scheme so far. Okay, so among those 22 companies, Apple's contract manufacturer like Pegatron, Foxconn, Wistron, and South Korean giant जेमती कि Samsung ହେଇଗଲା were among the 22 companies that have committed investments worth rupees 11,000 कोटी टंका 11,000 कोटी टंकार सेमाने already investment ପାଇଁ already they have committed to the government of India and हमर जो मेगा जायंट अछि स्मार्टफोन कंपनी रे जोटा कि एप्पल आईफोन तो सीए तार जी मैन्युफैक्चरर जी कंपोनेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर जेमती कि पेगाट्रॉन कंपनी हेगला फॉक्सकॉन विस्ट्रॉन So ଏଇ ସବୁ company ତାଙ୍କର already Apple ର share global share mobile manufacturing ରେ 37% global share ଅଛି, ସେମିତି Samsung ର already 22% share ଅଛି. So these companies when they will come to India, so we can expect that it will give a boost in the electronics manufacturing, and it is going to recruit around 10 lakh people in the next 5 years. ମାନେ 10 ଲକ୍ଷରୁ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅର୍ ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଜେନେରେସନ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଅଛି। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ବଢିବ, more companies will come to India, so definitely more employment opportunities can be created. And Indian companies ସେମିତି including Lava, ଆମର ଭଗବତୀ ମାଇକ୍ରୋମ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଯେମିତି ହେଲା, Dixon Technologies, Paget Electronics, Sojo Manufacturing Services, and Optimus Electronics have applied under the scheme. So ସେମାନେ already ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ target ଦିଆଯିବ in a base year, suppose 2020 ଗୋଟେ base year ହିସାବରେ ନିଆଗଲା। so ସେଇ base year ହିସାବରେ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରତି ବର୍ଷ ସେମାନେ କେତେ increment କରିବେ in production and sales, so ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ target ଦିଆଯିବ, and ସେଇ target ଯଦି ସେମାନେ fulfill କରିବେ ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ 4 ରୁ 6% ମାନେ incentives ମିଳିବ under the PLI scheme, and ତାଙ୍କୁ 25% ମିଳିବ under the spec scheme. So these schemes will provide them an opportunity to build a ecosystem here in, and these schemes will result in exports of electronic goods in excess of rupees 5.8 lakh crore over the next 5 years. ଆମର next 5 years ରେ ଆମର जो electronics exports ହବ India ରୁ exports ହବ, they are targeting and to achieve 5.8 lakh crore export of electronic goods in the next 5 years. So thank you for today's session. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.